Thankfully, the pilot of an F-35 jet safely ejected, but in a bit of a mystery, the world's most advanced fighter jet is nowhere to be found. The US military wants help finding the plane, which is believed to have crashed. The unusual events took place Sunday north of Charleston, South Carolina, where a pilot from Marine Fighter Attack Training Squadron 501 ejected from their jet, specifically, an F-35B Lightning II. In a statement to NPR, the Marine Corps did not specify whether the jet's